Hello everyone, so here I am sharing how to train left and right brain in kids. So do watch this video till end, and if you still have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. So here the activity is drawing with both hands. The kids can just use crayons and they can just scribble on the paper. It's a very nice activity for exploring the left and right hemispheres of the brain, working with both hands simultaneously. So if a child is a left-handed, we usually use the left hand. If a child is right-handed, they usually use the right hand. So this gives a very nice opportunity for kids to explore both their hands, explore with both their hands. And also kids have a lot of fun doing this. They will surely enjoy this and they will love to do it more. So next we just tried to draw some shapes, and she was surprised to see that drawing shape was a little challenging, but she surely enjoyed it and she always tries to explore this now. She just tries to draw something with both her hands, and this is an everyday activity at her home now. So kids will not stop once they start doing this activity, so do introduce them. It's okay if kids are not good at drawing. This is just to use both their hands simultaneously. There are many other activities which use both hands, but this also enhances their imagination and exploration capacity. Also, it is a part of art therapy. It helps kids to express their emotions. So here we just started drawing some shapes and then she drew circles. So this can be a never-ending activity for kids. So then she moved ahead and she started to try some drawings. So here we made a hut. So kids really don't feel like they are doing some work. It is a very fun activity for them, but they are working on a very important part of their brain. So here she tried to draw a tree with both hands, and she was pretty surprised by how she did it. So next we just explored more, and she wanted to draw her favorite drawing which she does all the time. So that's an ice cream she started to draw. It is also good for adults. We too can start doing with them using both our hands. We can draw something along with them. We can just play a music, and it can be a relaxing activity for both of us, for kids and adults. Kids get even more bigger canvas for exploring. And then we took it a little forward. I made a line in the center and drew some shapes on both the sides. So she started filling it in the inside like this, drawing the shapes. So this gives them a basic outline for drawing. Earlier she was not very comfortable with the left hand, but as she started exploring more, it was easy for her. So if we try this activity daily, kids will surely improve a lot. This activity is very useful in different areas of the brain too, different activities also. So it also gives a very improved reading skills. There are many other scientific benefits. So do try this activity and share with us on Instagram. You can tag us. I would love to see the activities, and follow us on Facebook. I will be back with more DIY early learning activities, art and craft, and mantras videos. So see you in my next video. Thank you.